Hi everyone and welcome to Anna and Alfie. Today we're going to be making Peter Rabbit log slices. And today we've decided we're going to be doing these beautiful duck ones. So what we're going to do is start on by putting some plastic gloves on. I got my plastic gloves from the pound shop. You get a pack of 150 clear ones, so I suggest you get them. They're absolutely amazing and they're brilliant. I find that these are brilliant for gifts, Christmas gifts. All my friends love them. So what I did is got a few log slices and I just painted the centre with some white outdoor paint. You can do acrylic, and then what I've actually done is I actually put a slight amount of I actually bought this. It's a water seal adhesive just to protect it from outdoors, and then I actually put the top coat on again. Let's start. Obviously you can get these from Morrison's or any supermarket, and what I suggest you do is just make sure the background is the exact same colour that you're going to be doing it on. So what you do is actually rip them. I'll actually take this glove off of that one. Take the glove off of this one. You actually rip them, and then this is a fun bit. I'll put my glasses on, and then you find and see how it splits. Pull it apart. You just want the top layer, so gently just split it. So you're actually going to get 4 characters just from one napkin. Just take that one off. If the log slice was okay at the back, you can do both sides. So maybe you want to do Peter Rabbit at one, and then on the other side you could do I don't know, a Halloween one at the back. Though you can do both sides, so you can utilise one log slice. Okay, so I'm going to do, let's see, I think we'll do that bottom one. So with some water, just some clear water, plain water, and just a normal brush. The easiest way I've found to tear them, some people just pull them apart just like that, but the easiest way I've found is using water, and just to use the water to do it. You see how it's all jaggedy? No, we don't want any of the blue. So, Alfie's very impressed. He's sighing. Obviously, as you can see, he's tired. I'll move those out of the way. You can use normal glue, but Mod Podge's clear really sticks well. Right, and also just to show you what it will look like. We put him on, you have to just generally try to make sure he fits roughly around. You see? Make sure he's straight. I'll bring him back round and make sure he's straight. So now, if I just lift him off, I will get some glue and then just, if they're washed properly, they do last. Okay, and then this is the fun bit. If we can make sure our little duck is up right on the top. I just put a bit more on the edges to seal it down. Now I will allow this to dry a little while and then I will put another layer of Mod Podge over the top. And then I would put another layer of the waterproof sealer on top, and then he's ready to go outside when he's dried. So, what do we think? Does Alfie like it? Like it? Like it what we've done? You do. You do, don't you? Like what we've done today? You do. There we go.